Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If I understand the gentleman right, he wants to not have the whole thing filled in. I've drawn a rectangle around it. I made it yellow, but the rectangle is going to stop any leakage if there's some leakage because he already told me that it's filling in the whole thing. So I'm thinking it's leaking. So I'm actually going to use a blue like he did, and we fill that in, and it fills in the whole area. So this one doesn't. So that means it's closed. I don't totally understand what this is and why it's got a jiggity jaggedy line, but here's one of the clues. If we take it and turn it into a hairline, you can see right there, the node isn't touching the side. That's kind of common when you make something 20 points, it fills it all in. Of course, we got some weird stuff going on. And if you want that line that size, we need to close this gap first. And I don't understand why that's there, so I'm just going to delete it. Maybe they want a little bit of shape to it, but I would actually take out, well, he doesn't want it this filled in. So let's set our nudge factor on well, it uses points, and I don't know what that is. I'm going to go with inches, and I'm going to say this thing is 3 inches, so I'm going to nudge it 5 inches. And he's got his duplicate distance set on 1.97, so I don't understand why you would do that, but I'm going to nudge that out of the wall, out of the way. And now we can fill this in. But if you want those thicker lines, what I would do is take this and make it that 20 points. I would go ahead and convert it to an object, and then I'd actually left click, right click, and then I would take the whole thing and weld it. And then you'll have some black lines in the blue. And because we don't want the middle part filled in, now your text is going to look different because I didn't have your font that you had in there. So that's why it looks a little different. Then to make it look like this without the blue in the center, but a black outline, I would take the Smart Fill tool, set on blue and do that, and then go to black and do your outline. I'm hoping that's what they were wanting. If not, I'm sure they will let me know. Anyway, hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.